Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. If you first visit my channel, please subscribe this video. Today I want to explain fire. What is fire? Words of fuel and oxygen into carbon dioxide and water. It is an extremistic reaction, in other words, one that first produces a heat. What is a fire? Simple definition. Fire, the state of combustion in which flammable material burns, producing heat, flames, and often smoke. A mass of burning coal would extra use acid in a heat to heat a room. Fire definition to proceed to definite a process in which substances combine chemically with oxygen from the air and typically given out bright light, heat and smoke. Combustion or burning. His house was destroyed by fire. What are the three elements of fire? The fire triangle. Also, I must explain for you this triangle. The sides of the triangle represent the third dependent ingredients needed for fire: heat, fuel, and oxygen. What is the fire and types of fires? Classification of fire. Also, I was to explain in my YouTube channel different videos, but now I was to explain classification of A. Fires are fires involving organic solids like paper, wood, extra. Class B. Fires are fires involving flammable liquids. Classification C. Fires are fires involving flammable gases. Class D. Fires are fires involving burning material, aluminium surface. So I hope you understand this talk and understand this video. So please watch complete this video and understand this all word. Thank you so much. Take care every time. Allah Hafiz.